In today's video, I'll show you how to type and sign PDFs in Microsoft Edge. No extra software needed. Let's get started. First, locate the PDF file on your computer. Right-click it, choose Open With, and then select Microsoft Edge. Your PDF will now open directly in the browser. At the top, you'll see a toolbar. Click the Add Text icon to start typing anywhere on the document. You can change the font size, adjust the alignment, and even pick a text color to make it stand out. And it's quick and flexible, perfect for filling forms or adding notes. Now, to sign the PDF, look for the pencil icon labeled Draw. Click it and use your mouse, touchpad, or stylus to draw your signature right on the page. If you need, you can change the pen color and thickness to make it look just right. Once everything looks good, it's time to save. Click the Save icon in the top right corner. You can either choose Save to replace the original file or Save As to create a new copy. And that's it. You've just learned how to type and sign PDFs easily in Microsoft Edge. No downloads, no hassle, just a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one.